Alright, let's check if you understood everything about the formation of past simple negative sentences. So in the first exercise, the positive sentences are given. What we need to do is to write the negatives. He worked in Madrid. The rule, you need didn't, and after that the verb. He didn't work in Madrid. We spoke about you. Speak, spoke. We didn't speak about you. Peter called Anne. Peter didn't call Anne. My brother went to school. Go, went. My brother didn't go to school. She was alone. Was the verb to be. She wasn't alone. Be very careful not to have written didn't be here, please. She wasn't alone. It snowed a lot. It didn't snow a lot. We slept till 9 in the morning. Sleep, slept. We didn't sleep till 9 in the morning. After that, we need to open the brackets using past simple. And I told you, if the sentence is positive, make it negative. If it's negative, make it positive. I didn't wash my hair yesterday. Negative. I washed my hair yesterday. Positive. We went abroad last year. Positive. We didn't go abroad last year. Negative. My daughter called me yesterday. Positive. My daughter didn't call me yesterday. Negative. He didn't have a dog. Negative. He had a dog. Positive. It snowed a lot last year. Positive. It didn't snow a lot last year. Negative. They didn't look happy. They looked happy. Her dog barked a lot last night. Her dog didn't bark a lot last night. If you need extra practice, go to the first lecture about present simple and past simple and write the positive sentences negative. Good luck. See you in the next lecture.